Milky mushroom. This one is Calocybe indica. As the indica name suggests, this has its origin in India. So this mushroom is a summer or hot weather mushroom, you can say. The incubation temperature is around 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. So it can withstand quite a high temperature. And again, the fruiting temperature, you can see it can withstand 28 degree to 38 degrees Celsius. Each and every variety of mushroom in itself also has several different strains, or you can say weather susceptibility. So certain strain might perform better in higher ranges, certain strains might perform better in lower ranges. But whatever temperature I am giving you, it's just an average, a sample size of the temperature under which they perform optimal. So milky mushroom or the oyster mushroom. These both variety of mushroom can be grown on a vast varieties of substrate. Especially this oyster mushroom can be grown on straw or the banana leaves or the corn cobs or sugarcane bags, cotton ginning mills or the newspaper, cardboards, a wide varieties of substrate which has been like lying idle in and around our area, or the logs or the sawdust, on any kind of sawdust. These varieties of oyster mushrooms can be grown. Milky mushroom perform only better generally in hay, or like the waste of paddy or the wheat. So paddy straw, wheat straw, these are best for the milky mushroom. And other difference between cultivating oyster and milky, it's the temperature. It's the higher range species, and oyster one is like moderate temperature species. So if you are having a farm which is not air conditionally fit, but still if you know how to cultivate oyster and milky mushroom, you can easily optimally grow mushrooms all around here. Like suppose during the hot weather temperature you can grow milky mushrooms, and during moderate and winter temperature you can choose oyster mushroom. So these two mushrooms must be like cultivated by farmers, or must be known by each and every one of you, so that you can always utilize your extra space.